When it comes to professional projection, performance and dependability matter more than flashy marketing. The Sony VPL-CH375 is built with that mindset. It's designed for environments where presentations need to be clear, bright, and consistent every single day. Whether it's a corporate meeting room, university lecture hall, or training center, this projector focuses on delivering reliable results. One of the biggest advantages here is the WUXGA resolution at 1920 by 1200. That 16:10 aspect ratio offers more vertical workspace compared to traditional 1080p. For business users, that extra screen real estate is valuable. Spreadsheets show more rows, detailed slides remain readable, and web-based dashboards fit naturally on screen. Fine text stays sharp even when projected large, which is essential for professional presentations. Brightness is another area where this projector stands out. With 5,000 lumens, it's engineered to perform in well-lit spaces. You don't need to turn off all the lights just to maintain visibility. In offices with windows or classrooms during the day, the image remains vibrant and easy to see. That kind of brightness headroom ensures your content remains impactful regardless of ambient lighting conditions. Sony's 3 LCD technology contributes to balanced color output. Instead of sacrificing color brightness for white brightness, this system maintains consistency across the spectrum. Charts, brand logos, product visuals, and video content all appear natural and well-defined. The overall image feels stable and professional rather than overly saturated or washed out. Installation flexibility is another key strength. The projector supports lens shift and keystone correction, allowing you to fine-tune image alignment even if the mounting position isn't perfectly centered. This is particularly useful in older conference rooms or classrooms where ceiling mounts are fixed in place. Adjustments are straightforward, helping installers achieve a clean, squared image with minimal effort. Connectivity options make it compatible with both modern and legacy devices. HDMI inputs allow seamless connection to current laptops, streaming devices, and media players. VGA support ensures older systems can still be integrated without additional adapters. Multiple inputs make switching between presenters or sources smooth and efficient, which is important during meetings and training sessions. Despite its high brightness output, operational noise is well controlled. It runs at a level that fades into the background in typical office or classroom settings. During a presentation or lecture, the focus remains on the content rather than the hardware operating behind the scenes. Lamp life and energy efficiency also contribute to its practicality. Designed for extended use, it reduces the frequency of lamp replacements, lowering long-term maintenance costs. For institutions running projectors daily, this can significantly impact overall budget planning and operational efficiency. Although its primary role is business and education, it can handle multimedia playback effectively. Training videos, large format visuals, and even occasional entertainment content benefit from the sharp resolution and strong brightness. The extra vertical resolution compared to standard Full HD gives it an edge in displaying detailed material. What makes this projector appealing is its consistency. It powers on quickly, delivers a stable image, and maintains performance over time. There are no unnecessary complexities or experimental features, just straightforward functionality focused on productivity. Upgrading from older XGA or 720p projectors to WUXGA brings noticeable improvements. Clearer text, enhanced detail, and better compatibility with modern devices make presentations look more refined. In professional environments, that clarity reflects directly on the presenter. For organizations seeking a dependable, high-brightness projector with flexible installation and professional image quality, this model checks the essential boxes. If you're considering adding it to your setup, check the link in the description to explore current pricing and availability.